Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Code with Sim. In this series, I'll be going through LeetCode problems, starting from the very first one and solving them step by step using Java. Today, we're kicking things off with LeetCode problem number 1, which is 2-sum. The problem is simple, but it helps build the foundation for more complex problems. So let's dive in. Here, you're given an array of integers num and an integer target. You need to return the indices of the two numbers in the array and add up to the target. Let's look at an example. If there is an array 2, 7, 11, 15 and the target is 9, then the output should be 0, 1. The first index in an array is 0 and the second is 1. Hence the numbers 2 and 7, which add up to 9, are on indices 0 and 1. To solve this problem, we need to iterate through the array and find two numbers that sum up to the target. But we also want to do this efficiently, so a brute force solution where we check all pairs would take too long, especially for larger arrays. Instead, we can use a HashMap to store the values we've already visited and check if the complement exists in the map. Complement is the difference between the target and the current number. This way, we can solve this problem in O(n) time complexity. Alright, let's write the code in Java. First, we create a hash map called map to store each number in the array along with its index, and both these numbers are integers. Then we iterate through the array using a for loop, starting from index 0 till the last element. And for each number, we calculate the complement by subtracting the number from the target. Next, we check if the complement is already in the map. If it is, we know we have found the two numbers that add up to the target, so we return their indices. If the complement is not in the map, we add the current number and its index to the map and continue. If no solution is found, we return an empty array, although in this problem, a solution is guaranteed, so we don't have to worry about it. Let's test our code in LeetCode now. Perfect, all the test cases pass. So the time complexity of this solution is O(n) because we traverse the array once, performing constant time operations like lookups and inserts in the hash map. The space complexity is also O(n), as in the worst case, the hash map will store all the elements of the array. So that was all for this video. I'll be tackling more problems in the upcoming ones, so stay tuned. Thank you.